Good morning. We start exercise 1.1, question number 5. In previous lecture, we learned question number 3, 2, 3 and 4. Now here we start question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Here we show that by using Euclid's division lemma, the cube of any positive integer is in the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now, we using Euclid's division lemma for any positive integer A. Let A be a positive integer. We apply Euclid's division lemma for any positive integer A. A is positive integer and B is equals to 3. Why 3? Because cube of 3 is in the form of 9m. Cube of 3, 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. So, we take prime factor B is equals to 3. Euclid's division lemma equals to is A equals to, what is our division lemma? A is equals to BQ plus R, where 0 less than R or equals to R less than 1. Here A is equals to positive integer and B is equals to 3. R is equals to 0 less than or is equals to R less than B. Less than B, that means 3. Taking R is equals to, which are R? Less than 0 less than or equals to R less than 3. Therefore R is equals to 0, 1 and 2. Here we taking R is equals to 0, 1, 2. Now A is equals to 3q plus 0 or A is equals to 3q plus 1 or A is equals to 3q plus 2. Here cube of any positive integer, our condition is a cube. Positive integer, cube of any positive integer is equals to A cube. Cube of any positive integer is equals to A cube. A cube is equals to 3q cube. First we take here A cube. A cube is equals to 3q cube. Is equals to 3 cube is equals to 27 cube is equals to 9 into, here we form into 9m. 9 into 9 3s are 27 cube. is equals to 9m, where m is equals to, what is form? 3 cube dash is integer. Again, a cube is equals to 3 cube. 3 cube is equals to 27. Cube is equals to 9 into 3 cube is equals to 9m, which is divisible by 9. Here we take a is equals to 3 cube plus 1. Therefore, a cube is equals to 3 cube plus 1 cube. Here first 9m. Now we expand 3 cube plus 1 is equals to a cube plus b cube. We know that a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equals to 27 cube plus 1 cube is equals to 1 plus 3 3s are 9 1s are 9 cube. Here 3 cube plus 1 equals to 27 cube plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27 q square plus 9. Here we arrange the terms in 27 cube plus 27 q square plus 9 cube plus 1 equals to, which is common factor. Here common factor is equals to 9. We write 9 3s are 27 cube, 9 3s are 27 square, 9 1s are 9 cube plus 1 is equals to 9m plus 1. Here m is equals to, what is m? Which is our positive integer? 3 cube plus 3 cube square plus cube. Here 9m plus 1. Next, a cube is equals to 3 cube plus 2 cube equals to, directly we write cube of first term 27 cube plus second term a plus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54 q square, 54 q square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 q into 2, 18 2s are 36 q. Here we arrange terms 27 q plus 54 q square plus 36 q plus 8. Common factor is equals to 9. We want only 9. Therefore, here common factor we take 9. 9 3s are, 9 6s are, 9 4s are plus 8 is equals to 9m plus 8. In the form which is we want 9m plus 1, 8. Here 9m plus 1, 9m, 9m plus 8, where m is equals to 3 cube plus 6 q square plus 4 cube. So, cube of any positive integer is in the form of, in which are they formed? In the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Again, our question is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now we start our solution. Here, first we applied Euclid's division lemma. What is Euclid's division lemma? A is equals to b cube plus r. A is big any positive integer and taking b is equals to 3. Euclid's division lemma is a is equals to b cube plus r. Its condition 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Here b is equals to 3. Therefore, r is less than 3. Then 0, 1, 2. We have for condition not taking r is compulsory 0 or 1 or 2. Here we write. Now a is equals to 3 cube or 3 cube plus 1 or 3 cube plus 2. Cube of any positive integer is equals to a cube. A cube is equals to 3 cube whole cube. 3 cube plus 0, that means 3 cube. 3 cube whole cube. 27 cube. 9 is taking in 9m form. Therefore 9 common. 9 3s are 27. 9m where m is equals to this integer. Here we write its value is equals to m. Now a cube is equals to 3 cube plus 1 cube. I take here expand 3 cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3 cube plus 1 into 3 cube plus 1. 27 cube plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9 cube into 3 cube plus 1. Simplify this. Here we write plus 1 here and these 3 terms into bracket. Common factor we write 9 3 cube plus 3 cube square plus 9 1s are 9 cube. Here what is the value of m? M is equals to 3 cube plus 3 cube square plus, you take m or q dash without any except q. Here I write m, 9m plus 1. Similarly, a cube plus 3 cube plus 2 cube is equals to 27 cube plus 8 plus 54 cube square plus 36 cube. We write here plus 8 separately and these 3 terms are in bracket. Common factor 9, 9m plus 8. So, cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. We start prime factorization. Prime factorization, the process of writing a composite number as the product of primes is known as the prime factorization. What is prime factorization? The process of writing a composite number as the product of primes. What is composite number? When number has more than 2 factors, itself, 1 and other factors, then it is called composite number. And which number is called prime numbers? You know that the number has only 2 factors, itself and 1. Therefore, composite number written as product of prime is known as prime factorization. As for example, here we write 273. Two factors of 273 is equals to 3 7s are 21, 21 13s are 273. Here 3, 7 and 30 all are prime factors. Therefore, it is 273 composite number which is written as in the prime factors, prime numbers, product of primes. Here HCF. We learn this in 4th standard, 5th standard. The HCF of two positive integers is defined as HCF of two positive integers is defined as the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Product of smallest power of each common prime factor. In two numbers which is common factor, product of common power, smallest power is called HCF in the numbers. Here and LCM. Same, but it is greatest power. The LCM of two positive integers is defined as the product of the greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. Each prime factor involved in the numbers. These two topics you know, HCF and LCM. Here this topic is most important for our sum. If A and B are any two positive integers, then HCF of AB into LCM of AB is equals to A into B. Here product of HCF and LCM is equals to product of two integers. Here this formula HCF of two numbers into LCM of these numbers is equals to product of these numbers. Now example number 6. You know this formula. Remember this formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product. HCF into LCM is equals to product. Find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. You use this factor by any method. 6 factors of 6 are 2 3s are 6. This method is called tree method. Here now 20. 20 is right as 4 5s. 4 is right as 2 2s. Clear? These are prime factors. Otherwise here you write 5 4s. Now 5 is common factor. 5 4s, then 5 is equals to 2 into 4 is equals to 2 into. Then we write 6 is equals to 2 3s are 6 and 20 is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 is equals to 2 square into 5. Here 2 into 3. Otherwise you take simple. If you know that 6 is equals to 2 3s are 6 orally, 20 is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 is equals to 2 square into 5. We write into power form. HCF. Here HCF of these numbers. Which two numbers? 6 and 20, which is common factor. Here 2 is smallest number. 2 is common factor. Therefore HCF is equals to smallest power 2. What is LCM? LCM of 6 and 20 is equals to, we write greatest power 2 square. Involve 2 here, 2 square into other numbers 3 into 5 is equals to 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 16. Find HCF and LCM of these numbers 6 and 20. HCF is equal to 2 and LCM is equal to 16. You write tree method. This method is called tree method for prime factorization. Here fundamental factorization method. You use any method. Find HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Here I use 96. 96 is equals to factor of 96. 96, otherwise you can take it write as like this. 248 are 224 are in rough value. 212 are 26 are 23 are 3 1s are. You write 96 is equals to and here 404. Then we write 202, 201, 101 ones are 101. Here we write 96 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5 into 3. And 404 is equals to 2 square into 101. Now find HCF and LCM. Only say that HCF of 96 and 404. Here HCF is equal to, what is HCF? 404 and 96 is equal to smallest power of 2 square is equal to 4. Here HCF is equal to 4. You write these two parts in rough work and write here only factorization, prime factor. These two parts do in writing for easily for you know that this method. Example 8. Find HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Here find the HCF of 96 by prime factorization method. And here example 8, find HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120. First we find factors of 6. 6 is equal to 2 3s are 6. 72. 36 2s are therefore 2 into 36. Factor of 36. 2 3s are 6 into 2 3s are 6 is equal to 2 raised to 1 2 3 cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square. Here 2 into 3 and 120 is equal to 2 3s 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 1. Then we write 2 cube into 3 into 5. Find HCF. Here I find HCF. Smallest power. Which is smallest power? 2 cube and 2 cube. Then we write 2. 3 square 3. Then we write 3. HCF is equal to 6. And LCM. Write here greatest power 2 cube into 3 square and 3. 3 is involved in 3 square. Then we write 3 square. Now 3 is involved in this number, 2 is involved in this number, 2 cube write 3 square, 2 cube is and 3 involved in this, which number is remaining? 5 is equal to 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Here LCM is equal to 360 and HCF is equal to 6. Now